How good is Google Guarantee for you? Google Verified applies to you. It means that Google verifies that you are a trusted vendor to do business with, and Google guarantees that you are. Thus, it becomes a huge form of recommendation by the search engine itself, and is a great gesture on the part of Google to do this for our local business communities. More than 70 types of businesses can now qualify for local services ads. You can see if you are on the list. Google says, help your business stand out with a badge of trust. Verified badges can help your business stand out even more. These badges help potential customers feel confident booking your services, knowing you're a fully licensed and vetted Google-backed business. See how Google says you are a Google-backed business. That's what we find does the trick. To learn more on how you can get recommended by Google and profit from the trend, connect with me today on LinkedIn. More leads by being recommended by Google. See how the green check mark makes you stand out from the crowd. Being recommended by Google is a big deal. You get shown on the first page of Google as soon as the search page is opened. And you are also one of the first 2 or 3 with a Google green check mark saying you are okay to work with, increasing potential clients' trust in you. And that means the quality of your leads improves. Next, we'll go over the impact on your brand value and the cost of local service ads. What are your thoughts on this? And what questions come up in your mind? This is Oscar, on behalf of Dr. Shiraj, signing off. Do connect with my boss on LinkedIn so she can share family law firm case studies with you, and how family law practices blossom after engaging with us.